For any driver, whether they have bought a new car or are dissatisfied with a current insurance provider, there is always a reason to look out for the next great cheap auto insurance deal. The problem is that what might look like a great deal sometimes is not when examined more closely. How can these traps be identified and avoided? And more importantly, how should a driver go about securing low insurance premiums that keep their overall costs down without losing out on adequate auto coverage? Well, there are several points that anyone seeking auto insurance should pay careful attention to, including the type of car involved, the range of discounts available from the insurance provider, and some tricks to cutting the premium that little bit more. Consider the car in question. It might seem beside the point, but in fact the type of car that a person drives can have a very real impact on the chances of securing cheap auto insurance. Of course, this seems obvious when comparing a sports car with a station wagon, but the comparison runs more deeply than that. There are a variety of aspects to the car itself that impact on the premium that is paid. For example, the age of the car reflects the potential for breakdown and accidents, so the older the car the higher the potential cost of coverage. But securing low insurance premiums can also depend on your zip code, and its reputation for safety. Frequency of use is another element. With the more time spent on the road, the more likely an accident is to occur. So, a car for working purposes will have a larger auto insurance premium, while one for personal or family use is usually cheaper. Finding the discounts on offer. Competition amongst insurance companies is so strong that the range of discounts available to customers is extensive. However, the companies themselves often do not promote them. They leave it up to the drivers to claim the discounts and get cheap auto insurance that way. For this reason, it is important that drivers investigate the premiums in every insurance quote, and then look beyond those details to learn what benefits there may be in the future. For example, securing low insurance premiums from one company may seem great, but another company may charge a slightly larger premium now but offer more significant savings after 12 months. The range of discounts on offer covers almost every situation. For example, students can get lower auto insurance by having high grades. Installing an extra anti-theft device increases security. Even taking regular driving refresher courses will lead to lower premiums. What to do to lower coverage? With the discounts mentioned above, it is clear that drivers can do a lot themselves to ensure cheap auto insurance is within their reach. So, invest in a better anti-theft device, take driver refresher courses and do your utmost to avoid getting speeding and parking tickets. However, some other things to do include maintaining a strong credit status financially. This can be of benefit because most insurance providers seek payments through regular direct installments. Having a good credit history means there is less risk of default, so securing low insurance premiums is easier. Another thing to do is to cut and choose the elements of your coverage. For example, auto insurance claims for vehicles written off in a collision only match the value of the car, but collision coverage and even comprehensive coverage can turn out to be too expensive if your car is old. So, work out what coverage is feasible. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.